Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get sunflower seed and grow garden game of Roblox new smithing update. Okay, let's get into it guys. The smithing update has been dropped in Grow a Garden. And finally guys, the old sunflower seed from the flower seed pack is back. You can buy the sunflower seed from the seed shop. I'm going to open the seed shop and you can scroll down and you will find the sunflower seed right here. So now if you want to get the sunflower seed, you can go to the seed shop. You don't need to wait for this honey merchant to arrive because it takes more time. Usually if you want to get the sunflower seed, you need to go to this honey merchant and then you need to buy the flower seed pack, and you can have possibility or chance to get this sunflower seed. Oops, I don't have the honey coins, so I cannot buy the flower seed pack. Okay guys, and that's how you can get the sunflower seed and grow garden game of Roblox new smithing update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.